My thesis topic is Global Ayurvedic Village Varkala. As we all know, Ayurveda, the mother of all healing science, is a combination of holistic principles that stays close with nature. One unique principle of Ayurveda that makes it incomparable is its impressive healing methodology that is a blend of natural Ayurvedic medications and mental disciplines like yoga and meditation. The prime philosophy lies in maintaining a healthy relationship between mind, body, and spirit. Kerala is the world's capital of Ayurveda. It is the only state in India where Ayurveda is used as a mainstream medicine. The project proponent is Kinfra. Kinfra proposed to set up a global Ayurvedic village in Varkala, Trivandrum. It is unique in that it's the first Ayurvedic health tourism from the government sector. And the aim of the project is an integrated infrastructure for Ayurvedic treatment, wellness, yoga, meditation, and accommodation with a resort facilities in a healthy and peaceful environment. It is an Ayurvedic village concept to take a break from busy life and for refreshment and rejuvenation of mind and body. Coming to site is at Trivandrum Varkala at Airur village, located on Elakaman Panchayat. It is 63 acres of land, well connected by air, rail, water and road due to its proximity to Trivandrum Central. The site is about 25 km from the central. This is a site entry. It has about 1.25 km of water frontage. The land is free from unwanted noise pollution and is blessed with greenery. Coming to site context, on north, the lake called Elkaman and other three surroundings are currently open forest land with small number of local habitation. Site comes under coastal regulations on 3, so area up to 100 meter from high tide line is marked as non-development zone. That is about 20 acres as non-buildable. This is the non-buildable area. And the site is divided by a stream of 10-meter width, and there are 2 ponds inside the site. The site has a gradual slope. Coming to case studies, live case studies are Vaidigrama Ayurveda Healing Village, Coimbatore, and Somathiram, Kovalam. In Vaidigrama Ayurvedic Healing Village, it is located at Coimbatore. It has a 40 acres of land. It's an environment-friendly space and natural setting with maximum energy conservation and management techniques. It is built by mud blocks that made in its own site, and it is designed with a grama concept. Consists of 4 gramas: Vaidigrama, Balagrama, Nivartigrama, and Lakshmi Grama. Vaidigrama includes treatment rooms, cottages, patient and doctors' blocks. Balagrama is a home for village boys taken care by the trust, and Nivartigrama it's like a retirement village for the patients or its bystanders, and Lakshmigrama is dairy farm. And Vaidigrama, the blocks are arranged as clusters. In total, there are 4 clusters. In each clusters, there are 3 blocks. Each blocks there are 4 patient rooms and 2 treatment rooms, and total there are 48 cottages. This is the plan of each block, and there are 4 rooms, patient rooms, and 2 treatment rooms. Next is Somathiram Kovalam, situated at Trivandrum Kovalam, spread over 15 acres of land. There are 80 cottages. Treatment and consultation rooms are provided as separate unit with a separate reception, meditation block, and yoga hall. Restaurants is kept at a corner. Since the treatment rooms are kept as separated block, patients need to walk a long distance from their room. Literature history, Ayurgram, Bangalore, spread over 9 acres of land, located in a remote area which is difficult to access. but it's a serene, clean, well zoned with administration, service, and accommodation. In central, there is a green space, and cottages are facing towards that green space. Comparative analysis, site area. Comparative analysis with site area. Ayagram have 9 acres of land, Vaidurama with 40 acres, and Somdiram with 15 acres. About number of patient rooms and treatment rooms. Ayagram with 26 patient rooms and 8 treatment rooms. Vaidurama with 40 patient rooms and 24 treatment rooms. Somtiram with 80 patient rooms and 18 treatment rooms. In cottage arrangement, Ayagram is with individual cottages. In Vaidyagrama, there are clustered arrangement, and Samatiram also with individual cottage type. About zoning, Ayagram is mainly divided into 3 zones: administration, guest and service area. Survey blocks are placed in the outer corner of the site. In Vaidyagrama, patients and doctors' rooms are arranged as clusters. Treatment rooms are provided along with all patient rooms. In Somatiram, treatment and consultation rooms are provided as separate units with separate reception and meditation and yoga hall. About circulation, by the Gram Ayurveda village, long walkways for guests and mechanic seats cluster and access easily on all public places. In Somadiram Ayurveda village, since the Ayurvedic center is kept as separate unit, patients need to walk distance from their cottages to treatment rooms. And about the scale of spaces, Ayagram, most of the built areas are single stories or double stories, creating more intimate spaces. In Vaidyagrama, single story units and closed arrangement with connected walkways. In Somtira, most of the built areas are single story or double story arrangement, create more open space in between units. And other features, Ayagram is with a traditional Kerala style and it has a strong visual access between visibility inside the site without compromising on privacy of each cottages. In Vaidyagrama, it is created and maintained in eco-friendly manner with minimum conservation and management of all sorts of energy. Coming to concept, the all village is an integration of architecture spaces, Ayurveda and meditation and healing. So the major concept is connectivity between units, thus bringing harmony. Designing whole village based on social connectivity or harmony among people. Designing each space for well-being of people. Coming to design program. The whole idea is a semi-traditional design concept in combination of biophilic architecture, clustered arrangement of cottages that bring a social relationship between people. This type of arrangement makes more in between spaces, thus creating meditation spaces, provide natural healing and mental refreshment. Coming to zoning, there are 110 wellness cottages, and each cottage is placed in order to get maximum view towards the lake. This is the maximum viewpoint. The cottage arrangement is given without compromising the privacy of the cottages. The treatment blocks are placed near to the cottages for the easy access. Cluster-like arrangement of cottages provide more meditation spaces in between. And the zoning is staff apartments and doctor's apartment, administration block, restaurant, and wellness zone. That includes meditation space, treatment space, and gym space. There's the master plan. main entry, main access. It leads to reception and administration block. And these are staff apartments. There's restaurant, meditation block, amphitheater, gym and sauna block, treatment units, and cottage units. It's a circulation map.